This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Jim Stanley. Beautiful new construction with a great view of the Ozarks. This contemporary-styled 3-bedroom, 2-bath has a great floor plan designed for family living and entertaining. The gorgeous upscale kitchen has so much cabinet space, an extra big island for lots of chef work, and a big walk-in pantry with granite counters as well. The spacious master bedroom has a tray ceiling, double sinks in the bath and granite counters. The second and third bedrooms have big closets and all have plenty of natural light. The big garage gives you plenty of room to park 2 cars plus storage and a built-in bonus area. The front and back porches are wide with space for outdoor furniture, grilling, entertaining or just enjoying the view. This gem in a beautiful country setting is on a 1.5-acre lot and is perfectly new and ready. For more